If you ever find yourself having difficulty getting buy-in for your ideas, you might want to try using the yes ladder. It draws on the principle of consistency. Once people commit to a position, even a small one, they feel internal pressure to stay consistent with it. A string of small, easy yeses primes someone to agree with the bigger conclusion that those yeses were building toward. Because disagreeing now would feel inconsistent with what they just said. Here's an example of a cold pitch without the yes ladder. I think we should restructure the onboarding process. There was no runway in that pitch, and the room actually hasn't agreed to anything yet, but what they're actually doing now is bracing defensively before they've even heard your reasoning. So instead, try the yes ladder version. Would you agree that onboarding's taking longer than it should?
Absolutely.
And that's mostly because of the manual handoffs between teams, right?
Right, that's the bottleneck.
So what if we restructured that part of the process? Small, easy yeses, each one feeding into the next. And so by the time you land on the actual proposal, it doesn't feel like a new idea being pitched. It feels like a conclusion that the room has already agreed to, one step at a time. Follow for more on communication and engagement.